Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel, exploring IKEA chair designs for stylish home decor opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing the aesthetics and functionality of your living space. IKEA is renowned for its blend of Scandinavian design principles, affordability, and innovative solutions, and their chair designs are no exception. One key trend in IKEA chair design is the focus on ergonomics and comfort. These chairs are often designed with user experience in mind, providing adjustable features and adequate support for prolonged sitting. Material used in IKEA chair designs are carefully selected to ensure quality and durability. Wood, metal, and various textiles are commonly incorporated, offering an array of options to match different designing styles. Moreover, IKEA chairs frequently feature minimalist and versatile designs that can seamlessly integrate into a wide range of interior decor themes. This adaptability makes it easier to customize your living space to your liking. Whether you're in search of dining chairs, lounge chairs, or recent chairs, IKEA offers a wide selection of designs that cater to various needs. The option to choose from different colors and styles allows you to personalize your home decor while maintaining a cohesive look. In conclusion, IKEA chair designs for stylish home decor offer a perfect blend of form and function. Whether you're seeking trendy and fashionable options or practical and comfortable seating solutions, IKEA's vast range of chairs can help you achieve a chic and well-pointed living space without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.